Hi everyone and welcome to Money Matters. In this video, I'll be talking about how to make money with cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in this topic, stay with me until the end of the video, and in a few minutes, if you have a small budget set aside, you'll know exactly what moves to make. What is a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a form of money that exists only in electronic form and is not printed on paper or minted in metal, but is stored on a computer. It uses mathematics to protect transactions and the creation of new units. This makes cryptocurrencies very secure and difficult to counterfeit. In simple terms, a cryptocurrency is like a digital banknote that is protected by a secret code. Cryptocurrencies have been around for about a decade, but they have only gained popularity in recent years, which is why you hear so much about them. Many people know cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but in reality, these are just some of the most popular ones, and there are others that are less known but that make a lot more money. At the end of the video, I'll reveal one that not many people know about. Step 1. How do I multiply my money with cryptocurrencies? So, first of all, do some accurate research and choose a cryptocurrency to buy. Then, open an account on an exchange and deposit some money, which can be as little as $100. Buy the cryptocurrency you chose and wait for it to reason, then sell it. I know you're thinking that it's too complicated for you to do market research to figure out if a cryptocurrency is valid or not. I've been there too, but trust me, you now have every type of information you need with a single click. And remember, the more you invest in the long term, the more the profit increases and the risk of losing money decreases. Investing in the short term, on the other hand, could also increase the profit if you have made the right choices, but the probability of loss will skyrocket. Step 2. Earning interest with cryptocurrencies. Staking is a way to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. In this method, you lock them in a digital wallet to support the network of a cryptocurrency. In return, you receive a reward. But how do you do it? Choose a cryptocurrency that supports staking. Open a digital wallet that supports staking, deposit your cryptocurrencies, and unlock them when you need the money. In simple terms, staking is like putting your cryptocurrencies in a bank to earn interest. Instead of receiving interest in fiat money, you receive interest in cryptocurrencies. I know what you're thinking. Staking, interest, digital wallet. I'll never learn these things. And I've been there too. And I assure you that it's not that difficult. It just takes a little effort, even because otherwise everyone would be rich. However, I recommend that you choose a cryptocurrency with a high staking rate. Choose a digital wallet with a good reputation, and be aware of any risks. Step 3. Generate new cryptocurrencies. Mining is a way to generate new cryptocurrencies. In this method, miners use the computing power of their computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miners to solve a problem are rewarded with new cryptocurrencies. In simple terms, mining is like looking for a treasure. Miners use the computing power of their computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miners to solve a problem are rewarded with a treasure, which in this case is a new cryptocurrency. But how does it work? Choose a cryptocurrency that supports mining, then purchase a hardware miner and install it. Connect it to a mining pool and start solving mathematical problems. I know, it seems too easy to say it this way, but this is a slightly more advanced system that you can start using when you understand how the gears work. But don't worry, the next step will be easier. Step 4. Lend cryptocurrencies. Lending cryptocurrencies is a process in which you lend your cryptocurrencies to another user in exchange for interest. All you have to do is open a lending account and deposit your cryptocurrency, then set an interest rate and a loan duration, find a user to lend your cryptocurrencies to, and receive your interests. Imagine you have 10 Bitcoin. you can lend them to another user on a cryptocurrency lending platform. You set an interest rate of 10% and a loan term of 1 year. You will receive 1 Bitcoin in interest at the end of the loan without doing anything. However, it is important to note that cryptocurrency lending is an investment. Cryptocurrencies are a volatile market and prices can fluctuate rapidly. If you are considering using this method, it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Okay? In this video, we discussed what cryptocurrencies are, their history, and the main ways to make money with them, some simpler and some more complex. If you are interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies, investing, or money in general, I recommend subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, you can leave a like and share it with someone who would find it useful. But now, don't you want to know which cryptocurrency I promised to reveal at the beginning of the video? Algorand is an emerging cryptocurrency that has the potential to grow in value rapidly. It is a scalable and sustainable blockchain platform that is being used by an increasing number of businesses and organizations. And it has emerged from various studies that it has growth potential. Thank you for watching. See you next time.